going to be telling you what my first lucid dream was like. So, basically, lucid dreaming is when you have the ability to control your dream, and also you're in a certain dream state where you know you're dreaming and have somewhat control over your dream. So basically, my first lucid dream was during class.
Want to learn guitar? Here are 5 reasons you should download Simply Guitar. 1. Simply Guitar listens to every note you play in real time.
Well, anyways, yeah, that's right. So keep in mind, when I first started to dream, I was on a beach. Yeah, that's right. I was on a beach at like 10 in the morning during class. So I'm sitting there like, whoa. This dream is so cool. I'm at Myrtle Beach. But then I look up, and do you want to see what I saw? Inside the clouds, I will show you. I'll draw it in Abyss Paint X so that way you get a clear idea of what I saw. Okay, now don't question my apps. Now we're gonna just take this picture and I'm gonna draw exactly what I saw in the sky. And yes, the lines were seriously this uneven. I saw this, but then I started to look just a little more closer. So I realized that it was a very oddly shaped beach house. I'm like, what is a beach house doing in the sky? But then I heard somebody call my name. And it was my father. And the beach house was black. Beautiful black. So basically, my father says, come on, it's time for you to go to sleep. It's literally 12 a.m. You've been outside all day. And then I'm like, excuse me, sir? What do you mean? I just got back from school. And then he laughs. Then I'm like, wait, what? What is going on in this dream? Then I randomly saw a clock by me. Then I'm like, ugh, I wish there was a clock. Yeah, and then I saw a clock by me. So, and then he says, your papa and I see we're coming. I did not want them to come. Because they suck at watching us. But keep in mind, they're going to be there till like 5. But keep in mind, I had the ability to change time. So basically, I'm just sitting there like, So then I went over, I teleported up to this house. Now keep in mind, the house was all black. It had very oddly shaped white windows. Now keep in mind, before I went to sleep during this online class, I wanted to the wall. And after I drew this exact same house, I wanted to go inside it because I knew that there's gonna be like millionaire furniture and stuff like that. So keep in mind the door was kind of small, but you could obviously jump out the back door because I remember like literally getting so bored like right before I went to sleep. I grabbed a paper and drew a waterfall by it. Yeah, that's what it looked like. So now I went to this house, and bro, the living room was my low-key a dream living room. So keep in mind, the living room was right here. We had a candy shop in the hidden basement. So keep in mind, I'm sitting there like, wow, this is cool. Now keep in mind, I still had my alien character and everything, because I wanted to make it look different, like a cute alien character. And I keep in mind, this is during a Wednesday. I'm sitting there sleeping. My friend literally said that the teacher the teacher literally tried to get me up and everything, but I just couldn't wake up. So keep in mind, I'm just sitting there like, wow, this is cool. I like this. So keep in mind, I go over, I teleport to the kitchen. Now keep in mind, I was surprised to see this, but the kitchen, bro, the kitchen, you had to walk across a rainbow to get to the kitchen. So, of course, instead of walking, I flew. Just like that. Up the rainbow. Yeah. And then I go there. And then I look. Again, where's the exact description of what I saw? I look over, and let's just say that I realized that I was in, like, literal, like, candy. Like, bro, and I'm sitting there with my friend Lucy, like, hey. No, wait, my friend Lucy wasn't here. And then my mom comes over and casually starts talking. Keep in mind, she's wearing a red tank top and dark pink pants. And by tank top, I mean actual tank top. So she comes over, she says, she asked if I want food. I said no. But keep in mind, Taylor's over here. My sister Taylor's over here. Literally, I don't know how to say this. At the top of the waterfall, licking the water. And I'm like, wait. Why is she licking the water? And then IRL me woke up to everybody's camera off.